What a great story. Glad so many people did step up to help him. Okay, let's talk about weather now, Ryan. We've got two big headlines. One that we're going to break a record this weekend, but then there's some good news after that.
Yes, temperatures start to fall away from 100, and that's all we want, Phil. We want some improvements and some cooler air, and I think we're going to get some. By about Tuesday, cooler air and some rainfall, all courtesy of a tropical system on its way to the Texas Gulf Coast. More on that in just a moment, but first, today's numbers. 103, the official high temperature in San Antonio, which did not break a record. If you look just a couple numbers down, the daily record for today is actually 108, set back on this day in history in 1986. Normal's 96, and again, no records broken this afternoon, but we did tie one, and we tied an all-time record set back in 1962. First and foremost, we've hit 100 degrees plus the last 21 days, 21 consecutive days, and that does tie the all-time record. Tomorrow we will break it because we're forecasting about 103 tomorrow afternoon. Energy Matters tomorrow is a yellow day. Conserve your energy use between 3 p.m. and 8 p.m. At the moment, it is 94 in the city, about 93 at Stinson on the south side of Bexar County. Winds are breezy, moving between 15 and 25 miles an hour, so that does feel nice despite temperatures still in the middle 90s at this hour, slipping into the 80s in Bandera at 87 degrees. You can kind of see where the temperature gradient is more vast between I-35 towards the coastal bend, where Beeville is clocking in a temperature at 83 at this hour, 97 at Del Rio, and a pair of 8s in Rock Springs. Tomorrow's forecast, it's going to be hot again. 103, partly cloudy, mostly sunny with a breezy east and southeast wind on 10 to 20 miles an hour on average, with an occasional gust near 25. Now tomorrow, yet again, another excessive heat warning has been issued. It's going to be hot tomorrow. No big surprise there. Drink plenty of water. Take breaks when you can, especially on a Sunday when a lot of family members and friends are outside having fun. Okay, tropics weather getting a little bit more active. There is some rain near Cuba and southern Florida, one of many tropical waves. I'm going to step off the camera and show you what we have. We have 5 tropical systems between the Gulf of Mexico and the Atlantic Basin. On top of that, in the East Pacific, we have Hurricane Hilary, Category 2, moving towards California over the next couple of days. More importantly, for our forecast, a tropical wave near Florida is going to move into the Western Gulf. More of a favorable environment, likely to strengthen into at least a tropical depression, maybe even a weekend tropical storm, which is what we need because our entire region, South Texas, Central Texas, all under a lot of drought. So this will be perfect. It looks like the forecast track is looking like this, mainly diving farther south. Moving near Corpus Christi, Brownsville, the Rio Grande Valley. That's where the bulk of rainfall is going to be. Here's a forecast model. By Monday, 2 p.m., it's partly cloudy, it's sunny. Monday evening, a couple of isolated downpours, nothing too crazy. Now, Tuesday morning is when we're expecting the bulk of rainfall to push onshore, and that's going to last all day Tuesday, on and off scattered showers. Again, heaviest downpours towards Corpus Christi, the Rio Grande Valley, Laredo, towards the Rio Grande, Eagle Pass, Del Rio. We're calling for a 50% chance at scattered showers Tuesday, but again, if you're farther south near George West and Beeville, you have a better chance at cashing in on some more rain. All right, tomorrow, 103, same thing on Monday. Cooler air, if you can call that cool, 95 on Tuesday, with a rebound in temperatures Thursday and Friday, with additional chances for rain by this time next weekend. So lots of changes and lots of good news with the rain on the way.